Welcome you all. Today we are going to talk about future continuous tense. So future continuous tense is used for the situation it is there in front of you right now. She will be dreaming at night. It means to say an action will be in progress in the future time. This tense or this lecture is for those students who have been learning translation based English. So without a further ado, let's talk about our today's topic. Here are the uses of future continuous tense. To say that an action will be in progress at a certain time in future. यानी फ्यूचर में कोई काम अपने जो है प्रोग्रेस में होगा यानी वो जारी होगा एक अरसे तक तो उसको हम फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूस टेंस में यूज़ करेंगे. Here is the situation in 3 years time I'll be writing my novel. यानी मैं 3 साल के अरसे में अपना नावल लिखता रहूँगा यानी एक टाइम के दौरान फ्यूचर में मैं अपना काम ये जारी रखूँगा. सो हियर इज़ द सेकेंड यूज़ आर मोर यूजेस इन फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूस टेंस. हियर इज़ द सिचुएशन फॉर एग्जांपल दिस टाइम टुमारो शी विल बी प्लेइंग द पियानो. यानी इस वक्त कल जो है वो पियानो बजा रही होगी. So this is also the situation for future continuous tense. Here are the time expressions like this time tomorrow, 8 9 p.m., next week, next Saturday, our month, tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, etc. So these are the time expressions we usually use in future continuous tense. Here are more sentences. At 9 p.m. next week Saturday, I shall be cooking dinner. Or for example, this time next Saturday, she will be traveling to Gujarat. So these are the situations we are talking about in future continuous tense. Here how we are going to make translation. Jalus shahar se guzrega. So here how we are going to translate from subject first, then object and then verb. And it will be translated as the procession will be passing the city. Jalus yani the procession, guzrega will be passing, shahar say the city. So this is how we are going to make translation from English into Urdu or Urdu into English. Here is the structure of affirmative sentences यानी बयानी जुमले किस तरह से हम बनाते हैं future continuous tense के अंदर. First we are putting subject, helping verb, main verb, first form of the main verb plus ing का इस्तेमाल और last में object use करेंगे. And it will be I shall be completing homework. So we are using shall be or will be in the subjects. He or she will be completing homework. We shall be completing homework. You will be completing homework. They will be completing homework. Rehan will be completing homework. Rehan and Fahid will be completing homework. So you see in affirmative sentences we have used shall be or will be with selected subjects. Here are the short forms how we are using for I shall, she will or you will. Here are the more structures like negative sentences. So we are putting subject first, shall or will not be. So we are putting not between shall not be or will not be. First form of the main verb plus ing and then object. It will be like I shall not be completing my homework. He or she will not be completing his or her homework. We shall not be completing our homework. You will not be completing your homework. They will not be completing their homework. Rehan will not be completing his homework. Rehan and Wahid will not be completing their homework. So this is how we are going to make negative sentences in future continuous tense. Here are the interrogative sentences. So you see we are putting helping verb at the very first, shall or will, and subject and then we are going to put be. आप यहाँ पे देखें shall और will पहले फिर सब्जेक्ट और उसके बाद बी इस्तेमाल करेंगे, फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द मैन वर्ब एंड ing and then object. And it will be like, shall I be completing homework? Will he or she be completing homework? Shall we be completing homework? Will you be completing homework? Will they be completing homework? Will Rehan be completing homework? Will Rehan and Wahid be completing homework? So this is how we are going to make interrogative sentences. So here are the sentences interrogative. We are putting shall or will at the very first, then subject, and then not be. First form of the main verb plus ing and then object. Shall I not be completing homework? Will he or she not be completing homework? Shall we not be completing homework? Will you not be completing homework? Shall they not be completing homework? Will Rehan not be completing homework? And then will Rehan and Wahid not be completing homework? So you see how we are going to make interrogative sentences. Here is the homework for all of you. Translate the following sentences into English. हम हॉकी खेल रहे होंगे, तुम ख़त लिख रहे होगे, मोची जूतों को पॉलिश कर रहा होगा, जलूस शहर से गुज़र रहा होगा. Hopefully you have understood the future continuous tense, and please translate the given sentences into comment box. Thanks for attention. Thank you very much. Hopefully this would have been very helping for all of you.